offense as far as saying that the Speaker of the House needs to intervene in this matter. When it comes to the Congress party, which will be now leading the opposition protest in another unique protest that is now being planned today on the Adani issue at around 10:30 a.m. in the Parliament complex. When it comes to the opposition's showdown over Adani, it is expected to continue even today as well. So images that came in yesterday from the protest there over the Adani issue, saying that these are issues just to distract from the main issue of corruption as it is being cited on part of the Congress party. Today again, the Congress opposition parties led by the Congress will continue with their protest in the Parliament complex today. Getting a word from Nyamika quickly, it seems that Nyamika, we heard Mr. K.C. Venugopal speaking on the issue. He has been saying that no matter not, there are disturbances and distractions. They want the Speaker to intervene. They say that parliamentary procedures have been violated and have been saying that no matter what, their protest on the issue will continue.
Well, indeed, it seems like the Congress party is quite adamant over the demand to hold a discussion regarding the bribery charges which are being levelled against the Adani group, and that is the reason why continuously we have seen that how the Congress party is holding a protest within the parliament premises. As yesterday what has happened, the allegations which are being levelled by the BJP against Rahul Gandhi, even at that point of time also the Congress party has made this allegation that this is just to divert the attention from the issue of holding any kind of investigation against the Adani group, as the BJP government is not ready to hold any kind of discussion regarding this entire matter. And today also the Congress party has planned a unique protest which is going to start at 10:30 a.m. in which the Congress is going to lead this protest, as the other opposition parties are also going to participate in this particular protest. But it will be really interesting to see, as on the other side we have also seen that how the other India bloc parties are not really happy with this entire matter, because they are saying that they are not being able to raise other matters which are related to their respective states, and that is the reason why the India bloc seems to be divided in this discussion. As on one side the Congress party is focusing upon the demand of holding an investigation, a JPC probe against the Adani group, but on the other side it is the TMC, even the Samajwadi party as well as the Aam Aadmi party, they are also having a different kind of opinion, as they are saying that we want to raise the matters which are related to our own states, which also includes the
Adani issue is concerned. It seems the Congress party is the only party that has been raising the issue, spearheading ever since when it comes to the winter session of Parliament that began. But it seems when it comes to the other parties within the India bloc are not on the same page, because they have decided, even yesterday we saw multiple parties did not attend the Congress's protest on the issue of Adani. Thank you very much, Nyamika, for joining in live.